Hello, today I'm in Mercedes A-Class. In this video I'll show you how to make phone calls via car's system. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with the car and take a look at the screen display. Go to telephone and now you can type number manually. Then press call button. Or you can go to name and here when your phone book is downloaded, you can select phone number from the list. In the end, you can check your call list, incoming calls dialed, and then you can redial. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.